morning. So guys, today we'll be doing the unboxing. So yeah, we're into it. And today, this is the first time my daddy could talk. So this is the first time we could actually talk. Yeah.
Hello. I'm doing the unboxing of Blue for Tomos.
So how do you open this?
So let's do the unboxing of Blue for Tomos.
Next.
And then Tomos has got Blue. I don't know how he works.
I know one of the stuff.
Gently, Tomos.
Over
to you, Tomos.
And on the instructions, like, what if you put something like that? Daddy?
Yeah?
What do you need to press to do that?
To do what?
Look.
To do that?
Yeah.
Well, push it down like that, dear.
Up.
Gently. Like that.
Yeet! 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 Yeet. This guy could do some memes. We'll see if a meme he could do. Yeah, I'm sorry, this video I'm gonna be off and on, but this is so fun. Yeah, and cute.
You want one more?
So yeah. And yeah, guys, if you liked that video, anyway, so if you want to see more videos on my daddy, subscribe and hit that. And if you want to see more videos, this is Tomos. Bye.